I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon mayonnaise. First, cook 4 to 6 strips of your favorite bacon until it's perfectly crispy. Once cooked, carefully remove the bacon and set it aside. Now, measure out about 2 tablespoons of that delicious rendered bacon fat. It's important to let this fat cool down a bit but not solidify before we move on to the next step. This ensures a smooth emulsion. Next, let's prepare the base for our mayonnaise. In a medium bowl, combine 1 fresh egg yolk with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice or white vinegar. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously until the mixture becomes light in color and slightly thickened. This creates a stable foundation for our creamy bacon mayonnaise. Now for the magic of emulsification. While continuously whisking, slowly drizzle in the 2 tablespoons of cooled bacon fat. Once incorporated, gradually add about 1/2 cup of a neutral flavored oil like canola or grapeseed in a very thin stream. Keep whisking steadily until the mixture transforms into a thick, creamy, and luscious mayonnaise. Patience is key here for a perfect texture. Finally, let's finish our delicious bacon mayonnaise. Season it with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Transfer your homemade bacon mayonnaise to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready to elevate your sandwiches and dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.